Hello guys, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. My name is Samiza, and today's video is a tutorial on how to create this super easy and cute galaxy drawing. So if you guys want to see how I create these galaxy drawings, keep on watching. So in today's tutorial, I will be using this watercolor painting paper in 300 USM, but you can always use any drawing paper or any paper that you like. Watercolor brush, I am using the Pentel Aquash water brush and also Crayola Super Tips. Basically, there are two ways ataupun two methods yang kita akan go through dalam video hari ini. The first method is the easiest method. So basically, you will just have to apply your Crayola directly on the paper, and you just have to blend the Crayola with your watercolor brush. So basically sama teknik dengan watercolor painting. Makin banyak air yang you apply on the paper, makin lembut ataupun makin cerah warna Crayola you. So depends on how you like the drawings to turn out. You boleh pilih banyak mana you nak letak air ataupun you nak apply air on the paper. Once it is dry, you can add in more details to complete your drawings. One basic thing that you will probably notice that I did in this video is I choose very light colors, soft ataupun pastel colors, sebab I rasa light colors lagi senang untuk kita blend. The next example is, I rasa probably paling banyak yang kita nampak dalam bullet journal. Biasanya kita akan lukis mountains dekat depan. So untuk create this drawing, draw the mountain first, apply your Crayola and then blend the Crayola with your watercolor brush. Once everything is dried, you can take your fine liner or any kind of pen that you like and then add in some details to your drawings. The second method is my favorite one. So in this method, you will need your plastic ataupun I guna, sometimes kalau I tak jumpa plastic around the house, I will just use my plastic ruler ataupun any bag plastic will do, I think. So ambil you punya plastik, apply Crayola on the plastic, and then kita buat dia macam watercolor, means you ambil a bit of the Crayola, blend with water, tengok cara macam mana you nak, macam I cakap tadi, kalau you nak cerah sikit, you boleh tambah banyak air, and kalau you nak pekat sikit, you boleh kurangkan air. So daripada dua-dua methods ni, I prefer the second method sebab I rasa lagi senang untuk I blend di Crayola, and dia akan bagi you gradient yang lagi cantik dan nampak lagi smooth. Satu lagi benda yang I sangat suka dengan method kedua ni is the possibility is endless. Meaning to say, you boleh combine the colours together, you boleh create a very nice gradient, and also add in more layers on your background. Once everything is dry, sama macam method yang first tadi, you can add in more details to complete your drawings. You can add in more color combinations. Boleh letak 3 warna, 4 warna, or any colors that you like. The possibility is really limitless. I've been drawing this a lot lately, especially bila kita try untuk combine colours together untuk tengok how it turned out. I rasa these two methods are very easy to follow and very fun to do as well, especially during this quarantine time. So don't forget to tag me on my Instagram if you guys try this method. My Instagram account will be linked in my description. Alright guys, I think that's all for today. These are all the drawings ataupun galaxy drawings that I've created today. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and as always, I would really appreciate it if you guys can help me grow my channel by subscribing and liking this video. I'll talk to you guys again hopefully in the next video. Stay safe. Assalamualaikum. Bye bye.